welcome back to my channel. This is Apurva. I am your dietitian. See, nowadays these are very hard testing times for us, and most of us are working from home, and we forget about the right intake and a healthy diet to maintain. I, as a dietitian, making sure to give you some tips regarding healthy diet and some healthy recipes too. In order to avoid obesity, I request you all to follow all the tips which I am giving you through the videos. So guys, as a part of this awareness, today I have come up with a very important and an interesting topic, that is plant-based diets. Obesity, a major concern in India as well as many major countries of the world. Every year, the obesity is increasing approximately by 5%. So let's understand what all risks are associated with the obesity. Obesity comes with many risks like diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, resulting in poor quality of life, which are strongly linked to the dietary choices. Perhaps the least common and the best diets, which are plant-based diets. Now let's understand about these plant-based diets. Despite the strong body of evidence favoring the plant-based diets, including the studies, the general public do not follow it. Even dietitians or physicians do not recommend it. But the plant-based diet is the first line of treatment for any type of chronic illness, and it is not followed by many, which may be due to the lack of awareness of these diets. What is a healthful plate of food? This contains half a plate of plant foods, 1/4 plate of whole grains, and the other 1/4 plate of lean protein. Few study trials have found that the plant-based diet have a dramatic result in the outcomes like blood pressure, diabetes, and lipid profile. Plant-based diets aims for the nutrient-dense foods while reducing the processed foods, oils, and animal foods. It encourages lots of vegetables, fruits, beans, peas, lentils, seeds, and nuts. Many types of plant-based diets are in scenario since a decade, like vegan diet, raw food vegan, lacto-vegetarian, ovo-vegetarian, Mediterranean diet, whole foods, plant-based, low-fat diet. Many of the queries pop up if you have to follow a plant-based diet, especially in regards to the adequate amount of nutrient intake. Firstly, people think there would be a lack of protein, but if a protein can be taken in the combination with brown rice with beans, soya bean dishes, lentils, etc., if these can be taken in right proportions, your protein intake is achieved. Secondly, iron intake. Maybe it is lower, but inclusion of kidney beans, soya beans, spinach, raisins, cashews, oatmeal, tomato, cabbage, these all foods will surely solve the problem. The other major nutrient deficient what people think is the omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. But these can be acquired from flax seeds, flax oil, and walnuts. So now let's understand what are the benefits of following the plant-based diet. For those who are obese and who want to lose the weight and decrease the risk of obesity like diabetes, cardiovascular disease, hypertension, etc., then the plant-based diet is the very best diet. If you want to follow or start any diet, make sure you visit a dietitian. Under the strict supervision of a dietitian, you could surely achieve the desired results, because the diets are tailored differently for each individual. If you want to know about any diet, then please leave your query in the comment box below. I will answer all your queries and I will make sure to guide you in a right way. So guys, this is it with this week's video. I hope you're really liking my video, and if you're liking it, I don't need to say you. But still, for the new people who are watching my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel Apurva Dietitian in YouTube. I'll meet you all next Wednesday. Till then, don't forget to stay safe, stay healthy by maintaining a very healthy diet. Bye-bye.